Welcome to the world of secure, seamless transactions. Today we'll show you how to purchase an NFT ticket with ease. Our app accepts various payment options, including crypto wallets like user-friendly MetaMask, non-custodial MATIC wallet, and many others like Ledger, Trust Wallet, Zerion, as well as conventional methods like card payments, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. To protect our users, we employ stringent identity verification measures for credit card fraud prevention, ensuring your transactions are safe and secure. But let's focus on the crypto wallet method today, specifically using native USDC on the Polygon network alongside MATIC for transaction gas fees. So what is native USDC and MATIC? Well, native USDC on Polygon is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making transactions fast and cost-effective on the Polygon blockchain. MATIC, on the other hand, is the native token of Polygon, used to pay for transaction gas fees to network validators. Before you start, make sure your wallet has enough native USDC for the ticket and MATIC for the gas fees. Once you're ready, head over to the ticket purchase link and click on Get a Ticket. Input your email. Existing users will be directed to the login page. Click on Pay with Wallet. In this step, you will choose and link your preferred cryptocurrency wallet with the Belong app. Press Connect to allow the dApp to view your public address and sign NFT ownership. Give the green light to the USDC payment. It's the first step in the process. Then, follow up by approving the MATIC gas payment to ensure the necessary coverage of the transaction fee. That's it. You've just purchased an NFT ticket with your crypto wallet. The future of event ticketing is here, and it's more secure and seamless than ever before.